I wish a very happy Republic Day to the entire school. A few points about this important day. On 26th of January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, before which the Government of India Act 1935 was being followed. I guess this information is quite not known to many people. But however, post the Constitution of India came into effect, our country started showing growth in leaps and bounds, because the values and virtues which have been guided, which have been covered in the Constitution of our country, has proved its worth in the due course of time. As we stand in the year 2025, celebrating the 76th Republic Day of our country, we all are proud of having such a constitution which has made our country prosper in all the domains throughout this timeline. Our country has not only progressed in the normal way, it has progressed exponentially, whether be it the field of technology, defense, medicine, space, and most important, education and all other sectors. Cadets, our country very recently launched a space program from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, SpaceX, on 16th of January 2025, which is the recent activity, where the 2 satellites could be docked in the space. If you talk about the defense sector, the latest weapons, equipments, fighter jets, tanks, radar systems, monitoring, everything is available in our country. Whether be it the field of medicine, treatment of various diseases, production of medicines, our country has always taken a lead in the entire world. Summarizing it, I request all the cadets to focus on this aspect. A country is not merely buildings and land spaces. The country constitutes of you, especially the youth of the nation, which is going to uphold this legacy in the times to come. Coming on to that, the most important part which is going to shape the future of our country is you cadets, जो आगे जाके हमारे देश के कर्णधार बनेंगे. Lot of responsibility relies on your shoulders. The month of January also should click a bell here, ring a bell in your brains that the March is also approaching, especially for the 9th, 10th and 11th class. For 9th and 11th, the exams will be centralized question papers. And for 10th, it's the board exam. जब आप अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे तो आप सब खुद इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे तरक्की करेंगे, और जब आप तरक्की करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली देश तरक्की करेगा. और ऐसे ही हम आज तक तरक्की करते आए हैं और हम आसमान में और ऊंचाइयां प्राप्त करते आए हैं. तो मेरा आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि बच्चों, टेक दिस डे एज अ प्राउड मोमेंट एंड अ मैटर ऑफ प्राइड फॉर यू ऑल, एंड ऑल्सो you must take a pledge to uphold this legacy of this beautiful nation and work hard towards achieving success, for which it is, for you guys, it is the exams which are coming up, especially for the 10th board exams. Work hard, do well, stay confident, and feel proud that we all are part of this nation, which is a leader in the entire world. A very happy Republic Day once again. Thank you to all.